Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. Today I have a bit of different video for you. So we're going to be discussing how to control the fan speed in your computer. So guys, firstly, before I get into the main method, if you have a MSI motherboard like I have, you can just go into this MSI Center application. As you can see, I have it installed. And guys, you can just install a certain add-on in here that is called a cooling wizard right here, and easily control your fan speed. But if you do not have it, let me get into the next steps and show you how to do this in BIOS. And this will be applicable to any, probably virtually any motherboard, just with slight differences in the actual UI, basically user interface, in your BIOS's basically settings. So let us get into the BIOS, and I will explain how to change your fan speed and set your fan speed in there. Okay guys, so of course do not forget to press the delete button to get into the BIOS. As you can see a reflection of me recording with my camera. So just press delete until you get it right, until you get launched into the BIOS. I'm already pressing the button multiple times. Okay, this should be happening anytime now. All right, so as you can see, we are now in the BIOS. So guys, you will be very easily able to do this. Just go to the hardware monitor right here. And as you can see, we have all of our settings in regards to our fans and fan speeds and everything, profiles, everything in one place. So this will be especially applicable to people that, once again, just like I said, have the MSI motherboard. So guys, you can do this in two ways. Basically, set your fan speeds. You can mess around with this line in here, with this graph. Or you can do it like I did it. So basically, as you can see on the right here, you can see these fields. So basically, you just choose the which temperature, which fan speed you want. So for example, what this means, right? So from 0, well, 0 is impossible because the processor will be heating up anyway. But as you can see, we have 0, and at 0, and basically starting from 0, the fan speed is going to be ramping up to just 20%. Why I'm doing this is because I want my computer to operate as silently as possible. And after that, as you can see, we have, this is my preset. I have 40 degrees, 65 and 80. And for each of these temperatures, as you can see, I have different fan speed installed. So guys, you can, as you can see, also press all full speed, default, all set cancel. You can just manually do this like I did it, or you can just set it to automatic, to default. And also I recommend enabling the PWM mode. It's going to just make things better. And also enable smart fan mode if it's supported on your computer, so that your fans on your PC will basically not ramp up and not make a lot of noise when it's not necessary. But in general, this is how it's done, and you can do this for any fan on your PC. For example, we have CPU. This is a pump fan because I'm using a water cooling for my CPU. System fans. Also, if you install additional fans, as you can see, I also have slots for additional fans. If you install them, you will also be able to control the temperatures for them as well. As you can see, there's no fan here, so there's no way to set anything. But if I go to system, for example, these are system fans. I have corresponding temperatures and speeds for them. It's very easy. Just input your numbers and you will set your fan speeds. And that's how it's done, guys. It's very easy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Press like, subscribe, and see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.